Hi, my name's Ben Nelson. You may recognize me from projects such as my electric motorcycle. Well, I've got a couple of events coming up that I'm going to be showing the motorcycle off at, and there's been a few times where people have said, you know, electric motorcycles just aren't safe. They're too quiet. You got to have that loud Harley sound. So to satisfy those people, I've got here with me some portable uh, speakers that used to be with a CD player, and they're battery operated, and an MP3 player. And I've downloaded some files onto the MP3 player to keep those motorcycle people happy. Let's see what we got here. We got a couple different sound effects, including some Harleys. Buell. I'm trying to find like a 50cc moped, maybe a Goldwing or something too. And if we want to get really crazy, I'm not sure if this is going too far or not. Theme music. It's electric. Okay, I don't know, maybe that's too far. I mean, it's that song annoyed me years ago, but haven't been to too many wedding receptions lately. So anyways, thought it'd be fun. Zip tie those speakers up to the handlebars, get some music and some sound effects playing, and might be fun for showing the thing off.